Alrighty, what we got here, this is by Feet Electric. I believe that's how it's called. Replacement bulbs. This one I believe is the BR30. Yeah, it's the BR30. 6-pack, picked it up. And what's cool about this one is that you can adjust your light. So it says like right here, choose your shade of white. So let me flip the box to have a better explanation. You can choose between 2700 all the way to 6500. So those are different temperatures and colors of lights, and all you have to do is basically flip this switch here. So it's actually pretty easy, and the reason why I did it is because up here I had lights, I think there was around, I want to say 4,000, but what happened is that some of them died. So instead of buying a whole set to kind of match, I just grabbed this, had my son change it, and then just get to the right setting here, and voila, it's all set. So pretty cool. Let me turn on the light so you can tell. So the middle one here has actually been replaced versus these two, and you can see that the color temp is pretty on point. So pretty excited to do that. I think this one was also replaced here. So again, the color temp is pretty much on point. So yeah, it's a great little bulb and a pretty decent price. Thanks for watching.